Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Talk about an interesting old person you met recently. You should say who is this person, how you met him, and why you find him interesting. So as you all can see, there are three questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these three questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, I have had a number of meetings in my life, including formal and casual, for the purpose of achieving a common goal through conversation and interaction. And today, I would like to speak about my encounter with an elderly person, Mr. Sharma, which I found quite intriguing. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. Also, intriguing means something that is quite interesting. So instead of using the same word which is already in the question, we used a better vocabulary word. And encounter means to meet someone. Alright, so let's continue. Last month, when I was traveling from Delhi to Dehradun to attend my cousin's wedding, I happened to meet him on the train. Moreover, my headphones were not working and I was getting bored, so I started to talk to Mr. Sharma, who was 75 years of age. Furthermore, I found it really hard to believe his age, so he started shedding light on his fitness regime, informed me about his daily yoga and meditation sessions, and also about its immense benefits, including increased concentration, promotion of physical and mental relaxation, as well as managing stress to lead a productive life. So, as you all can see, we have given a very good elaboration about the conversation that we had and why it was so interesting or fascinating to us. So, we have used some good adjectives here like immense, which means lot of, and productive, which means a fruitful life. So, you can also add all of these to your vocabulary list, and next time when you're practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation as well. So, let's continue. Additionally, he also emphasized about his dietary choices and how he refrains from junk food to stay healthy. So refrains means to avoid and emphasize means to lay stress on something. His tales were so captivating that I didn't realize how quickly the 6 hours of journey passed by. So captivating again means something that is quite engaging or interesting, something that is catching your attention. Finally, I felt motivated and was joyous as he inculcated me with a sense of positivity and confidence towards life, and the meeting still remains memorable for me. So, inculcated means to fill you up with, and memorable means something that you will remember for a very long time. You must have noticed that we used a lot of connectors here, like moreover, additionally, furthermore, finally, and all these will enhance our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Also, there is a video posted on our channel regarding the criteria on which you are assessed on speaking. So it's a good idea to check that out because that way you know on what criteria you are being marked upon by the examiner in your speaking exam, right? Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.